the computer, you have to use a USB cable like this. And now, when you use it for the first time, what you have to do, here there is a boot selector switch. There is a boot selector switch. So while connecting to the computer, press the boot select switch. Press and hold it. Then you can connect it here. You can connect it to any of the USB ports. So once it is connected, you can release. And
once Pico board is connected to the system, you'll be able to see in this PC there is a new drive attached to here, that is RBI RP2, like a removable drive which is attached to here. What we can do, we can just open it as a part of setup, and there will be two contents. One is HTML document, other is a text document. And info will give us the information about the Raspberry Pi Pico. It's using UF2 bootloader version 3, Raspberry Pi RP2, then board ID is also, which is given here. Then what do we need to do is double click on the index file. It is a HTML file that has a link to the Raspberry Pi website. So it will direct us to the Raspberry Pi website. So in the Raspberry Pi website, you can scroll down and read the required details. There we have information about the microcontroller and also the information about the Pico variants. What we need is, we need to click on this MicroPython. So as you click on the MicroPython, you will be directed to MicroPython related document. And scroll down here. As you scroll down, you will be able to see download the correct MicroPython UFT file for your code. So we are using Raspberry Pi Pico, and for a wireless we can use the second option, but we are using the Pico board. So what we do, we just select on this. As you select on this, you'll be able to see the downloading is taking place. So as the download completes, you'll be able to get your UF2 file over here. So I have already once downloaded, so that will get downloaded. So now you can ask to show in a folder. So as you open in the folder, you will be able to see the .uf file is downloaded here. Okay. So then what we need to do, once it is done, we just keep the things aside. This is for and this is for this one. So now this window has the RPA RP2 F drive, and now here we have the downloaded version of UF2 file. All that we have to do is just drag and drop it over here. Just drag and drop it. So it will start copying. As it will be configured. The Pico board will be configured to work on MicroPython related programs. Now, if I come back and see this PC, you would see that the previous mass storage device related to Raspberry Pi is this up here. So because once you have configured your device, it will be no more using as an USB device unless until you press the boot select switch. So this is the initial setup that we do it here. After this, what we do, we use an ID over here for typing the programs and executing. So this ID is called as Thonny IDE. Thonny IDE. So this Thonny IDE is one of the good IDE for Python programs. So here, so initially we may not have some options over there initially. So what do we do here? We just first we need to set up here on the right bottom corner of the Thonny IDE. You can just click on it. It will give the different options over there. So please select the MicroPython Raspberry Pi Pico. So whatever we do on whatever the information that we will store, it will be stored on the Pico device only. So if I have to open my previous file, I'll be able to open the previous file from the computer. Or if you want to type any program over here, I can type the program over here. print, and I can just put welcome Pico. Okay, welcome Pico, and it will be able to run it on the Pico board, and it will say welcome Pico. This is not happening in the computer, but it's happening on the Pico board. Okay, so that's how we use it. One environment is ready. Now we can run. We can type the program in this script window, where you can type the code over here, and also you can do the save as the file as a Python file. So what do I do? Just now I open the file. Since we have working on both computer and the Raspberry Pi Pico, it will ask us to select. So I just want to run it on the Raspberry Pi Pico. So I open the file. It is already stored in the Raspberry Pi Pico. So I have selected, and I will be able to see there is one link.py is connected here. So using this, what I do, I just open it. As I open it, I will be able to see the file that is opened here. Import machine, import time, and work underscore LED machine.ping and machine.ping.out. Then while it's true, it will be on for a file, that is for 5 seconds, and when it is after 5 seconds, it will be off again. After 5 seconds, it will be on. So this is going to continue to execute as long as the condition is true over here. And now, even if you want to save as this file also, you can do the save as. You can just go to save as, and it will ask you where to save, and you can just say you want to save it on Raspberry Pi Pico, and you can keep the name over there. Some name you can give extension .py, and select OK. So this also will get saved here on the Pico. It is not on the computer. So even when you can use it as a kind of an USB device also, this microcontroller. Yes, so once you complete it, if you run the program, you will be able to see that the LED is blinking on the built-in LED is blinking on the board, Pico board. Okay, just I'll show that.
So once the program is downloaded, you will be able to see the LED is blinking, and it is blinking for 5 seconds. It will be on for 5 seconds, and will be off for another 5 seconds. So like this we can do any program with the Pico, but please ensure that while using Pico for running the program, you should not press the boot select switch. Boot select switch is pressed initially to configure the Pico either to use MicroPython or by using a C++.